Good morning, class. Today, we're going to introduce ourselves so we can get to know each other better. Each of you will stand up and tell us your name, age, the name of your school, where you live, and something you like. Let's begin with Lily. Hi, everyone. My name is Lily. I am 7 years old. I go to Sunshine Elementary School. I live on Maple Street near the park. I like drawing pictures of animals and reading storybooks. My favorite story is about a princess who rescues a dragon.
Hello, I'm Jack. I'm 8 years old. I study at Sunshine Elementary School, too. I live on Oak Avenue, not far from the grocery store. I like playing soccer with my friends and watching action movies. My favorite movie is about superheroes.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm 7 years old. I go to Sunshine Elementary School. I live on Pine Street, close to the library. I like baking cookies with my mom and playing dress up with my sister. My favorite cookies are chocolate chip.
Hi, my name is Noah. I am 8 years old. I also study at Sunshine Elementary School. I live on Elm Street, near the park. I like building things with Legos and playing with my dog, Max. My favorite thing to build is a spaceship.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sophie. I'm 7 years old. I go to Sunshine Elementary School. I live on Cedar Lane, near the big playground. I love dancing and playing with my 2 rabbits, Fluffy and Snowball. My favorite dance is ballet.
You all did a great job introducing yourselves. I'm so happy to learn more about each of you. This will be a fun year together.